don't know what to do with your leftover rice?
Let's make some spicy veggie fried rice. We'll be chopping some veg and some aromatics. You can take whatever veg you have on hand. Instead of using regular oil, I'm gonna use this chili oil. This oil will add extra flavor to our fried rice. I'm going to use a few tablespoons of it.
Now my aromatics are sizzling, so I'll start adding the veggies. I'll start with the onion and carrot. Once the veggies are almost cooked, I'll add some frozen peas and cook them as well.
Now that my veggies are done, I'll be adding a teaspoon of black pepper and a tablespoon of red chili. You can adjust the chili according to your spice tolerance. Now add some salt according to your taste. Now onto the sauces, I'll be using some dark soy sauce, about a spoonful of it.
I'm using 3 types of hot sauces. You can use whatever you want. I'm using Sriracha, some Peri hot sauce from Nandos, and some Szechuan chutney because it gives a very nice flavor to the fried rice.
Now thoroughly mix up all the sauces. I'll be adding some of the leftover rice that I have. Break up all the rice with the spatula and mix them nicely with the veggies and the sauces. I'll be adding a little vinegar, about a teaspoon. Now that it's thoroughly mixed, we'll be adding the green part of the scallions we've used earlier. And I'm also adding some cilantro. You can use some flat leaf parsley instead. Once mixed thoroughly, turn off the heat. And now it's ready to be served. This fried rice is full of nutritious vegetables and is very easy to make. For serving, I'll just top it off with some of my chili crisp. I've added a video on how to make it before. I'll be adding a link down in the description box. For more delicious recipes, please don't forget to like and subscribe.